What's going on, you guys? So, you guys might want to look outside the window because it's snowing outside. Yeah, it's snowing outside tonight on the first day of spring. It's weird. Winter's already over. It shouldn't be snowing anymore. Spring just started. And it's supposed to snow all night. Yeah. It's gonna be a snowy night tonight. I can't believe it's snowing on the first day of spring. See all that snow coming down out there? Yeah. Got the ground already. It's supposed to snow until next morning. Wow. So, you know what? I guess that's it. I might get this uploaded to YouTube right now, so bye.